If you want stronger morning wood, you want to start eating chia seeds. Chia seeds boost your blood flow. They're loaded with omega-3s, which improve circulation, right? Send more blood to where we want it to go. And they support testosterone because they're packed with zinc and magnesium. That's critical for testosterone levels. Right? You need that. They balance the blood sugar, so there's no crash, there's no fatigue, just steady energy and performance. They have some protein and fiber in there. They're a pretty good source of fiber, actually. And fiber, helps the gut. We want to always help the gut and digestion whenever possible because your entire body benefits from this, right? So in order to really get the boost of blood flow and testosterone and stamina that you want, you have to soak the chia seeds. Don't just consume them raw. Don't sprinkle them on don't do that. You see that people say, oh, sprinkle. No, you gotta soak them first. Soaking unlocks their power. It makes their nutrients easier to absorb. And they hydrate your body, right? Let me tell you how that works. So chia seeds actually soak up water. They actually structure the water for you. We talk about structured water a lot on this page and how your body prefers that. It's more easily absorbed than regular water, right? So the more water you can retain in your body, that also helps you to get a better blood flow and better hydration overall. We want the hydration, we want the blood flow. So let me give you 2 easy ways to prepare chia seeds. Take a tablespoon of chia seeds, dried chia seeds, and you put it in a glass of spring water, 8 ounces of spring water, or a little bit less if you want it to be looser. And let it sit, stir it, let it sit for 20-30 minutes until it forms into a gel. And drink it the first thing in the morning. Less water gives you more of a gel. More water gives it looser gel. And then I have a smoothie for you. You can take that same blended water of gel, chia seeds, throw a banana in there, a little bit of almond milk as you need, and some blueberries or some honey. And that's a natural testosterone boosting drink. We don't talk about it a lot, but chia seeds does reduce inflammation. Helps your prostate too. See, everything's connected, right? This chia seeds is very versatile. It can work for you in 2 ways. I talk about the erectile dysfunction part because of its direct helping with blood flow and the zinc and the magnesium for increased elevated levels of testosterone in men. So, but it's good for prostate as well. So that's the bonus. So drop a muscle emoji in the comments if you're going to do this, and don't forget to like and share this with one of your brothers that can really use these tips. Let's get healthy.